Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are discussing about gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is the production of gametes and it occurs in the gonads. Gametes are the haploid reproductive cells or the sex cells which undergo fertilization and give rise to the new generation of offspring. Gametogenesis involves the process of reduction division or meiosis, and meiosis is the process by which the diploid germ cells divide and give rise to haploid gametes. There are two types of gametes, the male gamete which is called the sperm and the female gamete which is called the ovum. The production of sperm is called spermatogenesis and it takes place inside the male gonad, that is the testis. The production of ovum is called oogenesis, which takes place inside the female gonad, that is the ovary. First, let us see the formation of sperms, which is called spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis occurs inside the male gonad, that is the testis, and the testis is formed of thousands of minute tubules called seminiferous tubules. The formation of sperms takes place inside the seminiferous tubules in testis. The seminiferous tubules are lined by the germinal epithelium, which is formed of cells which are called primordial germ cells. The primordial germ cells undergo repeated division, and from these cells the sperms are formed. There are three phases in the conversion of primordial germ cells into sperms. They are the multiplication phase, growth phase, and maturation phase. During the multiplication phase, the primordial germ cells they undergo repeated mitotic division and form the spermatogonium or the sperm mother cell. The spermatogonium or the sperm mother cell is diploid. Here you can see the spermatogonium. During the second phase, that is the growth phase, the spermatogonium will grow and increase in size and form the primary spermatocyte. The primary spermatocyte is again diploid. During the third phase, that is the maturation phase, each primary spermatocyte will undergo the first meiotic division and form the haploid secondary spermatocyte. Here you can see the primary spermatocyte is undergoing first meiotic division and forming two secondary spermatocytes which are haploid. Then, during the second meiotic division, each secondary spermatocyte will divide into two spermatids. So, altogether, four spermatids are formed. Then, these spermatids will differentiate and form the mature sperm cells. So, from a single spermatogonium, four sperms are formed during spermatogenesis. That is about the formation of male gamete, that is the sperm. Next, let us see the formation of ovum, which is oogenesis. Oogenesis occurs inside the female gonad, that is the ovary. Like in the case of testis, the ovary is also lined by the germinal epithelium. The germinal epithelium will proliferate, and the cells which are formed from these germinal epithelial cells, they will aggregate and form ovarian follicles, and ovum develops inside these ovarian follicles by the process of oogenesis. There are three phases in the formation of ovum. They are the multiplication phase, growth phase, and maturation phase. During multiplication phase, the primordial germ cells will undergo repeated mitotic division and form the oogonium or the egg mother cell, which is diploid. The oogonia they will grow and increase in size to form the primary oocyte during the second phase, that is the growth phase. Then, during the third phase, maturation phase, the primary oocyte will divide and form secondary oocyte, which is haploid. The primary oocyte will undergo the first meiotic division and form the secondary oocyte and the first polar body. The secondary oocyte will then undergo the second meiotic division and form the ovum. Here you can see the ovum and the second polar body is formed. This ovum is otherwise called ootid. Here you can see that from a single oogonium, only one ovum is formed at the end. Only one ovum is formed at the end of oogenesis. That is about the formation of ovum. Now you have to do a comparison of spermatogenesis and oogenesis. That is your assignment for today. Thank you.